Welcome back to another episode with Ben and Kim. In this episode, we travel north to Wallaroo and experience our first night in a secluded free camp where we are approached by a stranger before setting off and stumbling upon a deserted town called Iron Knob. Timing was impeccable when we randomly arrived at Whyalla boat ramp to find a pack of dolphins being led into the marina by a local fishing boat. Ta-da! Okay, it's been a few weeks.
It's been five.
And a few days in between. We are now about to head off on our first adventure. So tomorrow we're going to be packing up early in the morning and we're getting kicked out of the caravan park because we're going to head up to Whyalla for a few days.
We're getting kicked out because we've reached our maximum stay.
Yeah, we don't want to become permanent residents here. However, we are only going there until probably Monday next week, and then we're back in Adelaide for one final, goodbye for everyone. Plus, the canopy is getting installed on the ute, and that is locked in. And then once that's done on Friday, pretty well, we are free.
Off. We are off.
Yeah. So that's pretty well it. We're going to probably give you guys an update, and we'll take you on this adventure to Whyalla. All done. We got a bit more shit than we really want and we haven't sorted out where everything's going, but anyway, we'll figure that out along our destination and that's it. We're all done.
All done. Our first proper week.
Yay! Alright. Dude, you guys ready for your first adventure? Rightio. So, we are officially on some dirt road. We're over somewhere near Wallaroo, north of it. There's a couple of camp spots north of it and we have no idea where they are. The reviews say that people couldn't find them.
There's one review, so that's really not leaving much hope for me.
Yeah, we're going to wing this one and see how we go. Port Broughton has availability until 6 PM, so at the caravan park, and it's dog friendly. So worst case scenario is if we can't find our own free camp here tonight, or even just find some farm that we can just sit on, then we might be alright. Yeah, so we're going to wing it and give it a good old shot. What's this on the road? Like half a shed. Jesus. Oh, look at that view. Oh, look, we got to find, look at this. Surely the people on that farm won't see us.
Caravan park has views like that.
That looks great. Alright, we'll keep you updated. Now we go. Look at this. Look at this for our first ever camp spot for the night. Completely free. Kim's leveled the van really easily. We've got a bit of a wind block from that southwesterly that's kind of coming through. But if we stand out the front of the van, that is our beautiful view that we have. Look at that. Beautiful spot. Babe, what do you think?
I'm nervous.
She's super nervous. She's like, why can't we stay somewhere like a caravan park? We're about the free life. We want to try and stay in as many free camp spots as we can. So, you know, what better way to do it than to try and find something? And yeah, this place is pretty good. There's actually some really good four-wheel drive tracks potentially here as well. I don't know if it's too windy for you on the mic, but there's like a really crazy one just over here. And then there's not too bad of a one. You could easily do that, maybe with not a caravan. And then this one here is pretty easy, I think pretty well. I reckon the Navara could probably get up there with the van. I just don't really want to try it without having someone else around because I've never gone crazy off-road with a caravan before that's like 2.5 ton. And I don't have like all our recovery gear on us yet because we haven't bought everything yet. So, and even the winch, like I don't even have like a shackle for it. So it's, yeah, not something that I'm willing to try just yet. This one over here is going to create some very good content, aren't you, babe?
I'm very uneasy about the whole thing at the moment. I don't know.
She's night one in and she's like, I don't know if this lifestyle's for me.
I'm a bit worried.
Oh shit.
There's like no one around. I'm kind of freaked out.
And I just said to her, there's plenty of people around, because the guy who obviously owns that shack down there, the white one, he had his dogs out before and he was walking along the beach down there. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 fishing boats out there. So there's plenty of people around.
That doesn't put my mind at
You
ease.
just might have to swim for 300 meters to get to one of them, but you know. Alright, the funniest thing has just happened, right? So we took the boys for like a wee and a poo down on the beach, and then as we were kind of coming back, we seen this like Tarago go past behind us. By the time we got up, this guy gets out, pulls up, he's just over there, that's it there, and he comes over, he's like, oh hey, I'm Italian, do you mind if I come and stay with you for the night? He's like, you know, if you want privacy, I can go a couple more camps down, but this is a really nice spot. It's behind the wind. And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I'm like, yeah, just park there, you'll be right. Anyway, he's gone and got his chair. And he's gone and sitting down there. But he's obviously running out of beers, so he's got to go get some more beers. Anyway, we are about to give the barbie a bit of a clean up, because we're going to be cooking a steak for dinner and some salad. So I've done some drone flying. I'll throw up this footage right now for you to check out of whereabouts we are, and then hopefully you might be able to see a bit of the sunset as well. Are you there? They're there.
They're there.
They're there. Hey guys.
Well,
one. He's got a beer. We have just left Port Pirie. We are on our way down to Whyalla.
Up. Whyalla is up.
Well, yeah.
Up.
Okay, so we've got to go up and then we're going to go down. So we're on our way up, and then when we hit the tip and we come back down, we're going to be on our way down. So we're getting the run up, and yeah, we're just we're through Port Pirie. We went through a couple of little towns that we haven't really been to before as well. So we went to like Port Broughton, which was really nice, and then
Fisherman's Bay.
yeah, we took like a little road up and just went up to like this place called it's actually Fisherman Bay.
Right.
There's got no S on it.
Yeah.
And it was really pretty in there, and they had like all these old like shacks, like your little tin shed shacks.
And all the roads are fish. So there was like Whiting Road, Snapper Road, Mullet Road, Trout.
Yeah.
I mean, there was only about 10 streets in the whole section.
Silver whiting. Yeah, it was pretty cool.
We booked into the caravan park at Whyalla on the foreshore for the next 2 nights. We're staying at the caravan park because I want to see the dolphins, and the caravan park is right next to the dolphins. And I have heard, the caravan park's right next to where the jetty is, but I have heard that, you know, sometimes it's hit and miss with the dolphins, and so I wanted to be like staying right near there so that I have the most opportunities to go and see the dolphins. So, but we also, the big Galah is at Kimba, which is an hour and a half out of Whyalla. So I've also decided that we're doing that as well. And we're going to go get a photo in front of the big Galah statue, which Ben is also thrilled about.
See if we can show Dice the big giant bird.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll probably see this when we get to the caravan park tonight. If there's good lighting, I'll film it. If not, see you in the morning. What's going on, everyone? We have now made it to Whyalla. We are in the caravan park, and we've got a water spot, literally like the ocean view one. I think it's the last one they had left. We got in about an hour ago, which is probably like somewhere around like 7 o'clock, 6:30, and it's like pitch black. It's actually kind of warm here, and there seems to be like no one cooking food outside, and we thought it was a bit sus and a bit weird. Well, turns out we opened the caravan door and about 400 bugs just came flying into the caravan and stuck themselves to the ceiling. So we've had to shut all the doors and start cooking 2-minute noodles inside. So Kim's prepping some 2-minute noodles.
Quality dinner.
We got Starlink cranking, we got the footy on, so we're just gonna deal with it because we had a really nice marinated chicken from Aldi that we were gonna cook with some like nice veggies, but there's no way I'm cooking on the web or outside, so that's it.
When you cook outside, you still have to come in and out to like grab stuff, and yeah, you just end up opening the door about like 10 times, and every time we open the door, like 50 bugs are gonna come in, so it's not worth it. And the beach is literally, I reckon, 5 steps from the door here. So it is literally waterfront. So Dyson's going to be very excited.
You can always tell which one's our van when you look up there. And you got a big giant Starlink antenna hanging off the back of it. Right, if any of you guys are ever going to be coming anywhere near Whyalla, this is definitely a place you want to stay. This beach is absolutely fantastic, and it's like the middle of winter. It's not, you know, the best time to come here, but it's still pretty nice. The water's really nice. It's out, like the tide's out, and the beach is actually really quiet. So it's a 68-kilometre dirt road, pretty well the whole way to Kimba. And then, yeah, at the moment Kim's driving, and
Kim didn't know it was going to be a dirt road until the GPS said turn left onto said dirt road, and now I'm stuck driving 68 kilometres on a dirt road, and I've driven on a dirt road once.
How's that for a straight road? Not sure if the GoPro does it justice, but it's actually pretty straight. It's the big bird, the big birdie.
Big Galah.
Oh, big Galah. Look at it. this place, the old Iron Knob service station. Doesn't run anymore, obviously, as you can probably half tell, but it looks pretty cool. I mean, obviously kids run amok in here. I think one of the best things I like about it is blokes and Sheilas. Hey, how Australian do you want to get? That's so good. I don't know if anyone's been Iron Knob before, but have a look at this.
As you do,
like,
randomly have
you got
2 cows
just
in your
2 cattle, just, you know,
in your front or backyard.
There's a house there, and then there's like another house over there. And you got like 2 cattle just in your Fangan block next to you. This place, you have not been to Iron Knob.
It's like a town that's been abandoned, but there's a few weird stragglers left behind. It's creepy.
And like people have made up whatever they could have made up from the rest of this town. It's really bizarre. This place is so weird. And I mean, I don't know if you want to be caravanning overnight here. I would not be staying there.
You'd come back and your caravan wouldn't have any wheels.
You'd probably, and there's no service, like the only service station in town is like,
was that abandoned one?
Is that abandoned one, which you guys probably seen some drone footage of then. If not, then I'll throw it up now. But I mean, this place is weird.
There's a pub for sale, but who in their right mind is going to buy that pub? Like, you wouldn't have any patrons.
Scary place. You see the jellyfish, babe? See the jellyfish? There's a few over here. Real big ones too.
What's a big jellyfish? Big jellyfish.
Okay, we've come down here to see the dolphins, and well, they're here. They're just over there. They're kind of on their way over to me now, so I don't know whether we're just gonna get lucky here. We literally pulled up, boat came in, and you can see the dolphins next to them. But there's a few like jellyfish around too, so I don't know if you can see that little guy in there. There's a little jellyfish there. There's actually like 20 others like just in here, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for dolphins.
Then?
Because
Dyson and Ryder are here and they are freaking out as well.
Rock it. We're gonna rock the floating pontoon.
Ben.
Oh, you're gonna get lucky, babe, on your first attempt to come here. Thanks, babe. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Come right up. Look, hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh my gosh,
That is so cool. Oh, look, he's coming back. Hello. Hello, little one. Oh, he's so beautiful. He said, hello, Brownie. Hello, we got no fish for you, mate. Oh, that's so cool. He's so close. Oh, look, and I got the other one here as well. Hello, buddy. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is so cute. Hey, shush. Oh, you scared him, Dyson.
Okay guys, so fun fact, I actually used to live in Whyalla when I was, I think like 7 and 8. We were here for 2 years, and I'll show you around. So this house in the background, that is where I lived. So it's actually a, like it's a big 2-story house and it's been converted into a church. I'm just gonna go around here 1 second. Alright, so quick story time. When I was little, I was really, really naughty, and Mum threw, so up there was my bedroom, not this one, but like at the back of the house. And so being in the 2-story house, I was really naughty, and one day Mum threw all of my toys, like my stuffed animals, one by one out the window. I had to watch her, and then I had to go downstairs and pick them all back up. It's like, I have a really bad memory, but this is like one of the fondest memories I have of living in Whyalla, is all my teddies being thrown off my window. Oh my god, 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 I can't watch. Okay.
Join us next week on our maiden voyage, leaving Adelaide for good and starting to make our way to Murray Bridge, Kingston, Robe, and we attempt four-wheel driving on the beach down near Beachport, and we get pretty gnarly and bombed. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and we look forward to seeing you next week. If you haven't watched our first episode, then check that out, where we pack up a 3-bedroom house and we put it all into a caravan.